Bureaucracy is making healthcare inaccessible for patients, while corporate greed continues to burden clinicians and reduce quality of care. Your health data and much of your healthcare experience are owned by profit-driven corporations. What if we could connect individual clinicians and patients directly, without involving these self-serving institutions? At HIE of One, that's the vision we've been working toward for over a decade. In this demo, we'd like to show you the suite of software we've developed. We're going to look at 3 applications, all free and available for testing today. The first is Nosh, a patient record-keeping and viewing system. Nosh functions similarly to Epic's MyChart web portal, but also provides access to multiple data sources like Apple Health and user-controlled AI. We'll also look at Trustee. Trustee manages access to our suite of software and creates a centralized location around which a patient community can organize. In the same way that Google, Facebook, and many other services provide login functionality external to their own software, Trustee acts as both a secure gateway and as a community hub. The critical difference here is that each Trustee server is user-owned and user-controlled and in no way dictated to or influenced by any other interest. Finally, we'll look at Maya, a small app that demonstrates what happens when we want to add AI consultation into the patient journey. Caution: Trustee is an unregulated patient-controlled demonstration that exposes your health records to unregulated AI providers with varying privacy policies and terms of use. The HIE of One privacy policy does not protect you from how the AI service you choose may use your information or how they may return wrong or misleading suggestions. We strongly recommend consulting a licensed healthcare professional before taking any action. In the case of an emergency, always call 911. We start with account creation at trustee.health. Because the software is free and open source, any individual or community of like-minded patients can host their own trustee. This is a specific instance of the software that we are making available for demo and testing purposes. First, we provide and verify our email address and create a passkey for login. Then we enter some basic information to start the creation of our new patient record in Nosh. Once our record is set up, we can now import data. You can connect to MyChart and several other popular EHRs by searching for your healthcare provider in the Sync menu and importing your personal record. Fake or synthetic data is also available if you want to demo the product without involving your own medical record. Synthetic data is designated in the list of available sources with a small shield icon on the right-hand side and the name Synthetic Mass. For this demo, we will use synthetic data listed under the name Akiko. Now that we have our data imported into Nosh, we can see it categorized as medications, messages, documents, etc. The second portion of this demo looks at Maya, a medical AI assistant which we have provided along with Nosh for you to experiment with. We begin in the Nosh interface where we have imported our record. In the right-hand menu, we'll select Launch Maya. Maya connects through Trustee to your record. A note for developers: this is a decentralized process which can happen asynchronously, and the protocol being employed is GNAP. More information is available at hieofone.com. Once we're connected, we can view our patient timeline in Maya, save it locally if we wish, and ask the AI questions about it. The transcript can be edited within the Maya interface, and when we finish, we can save the transcript locally. We can also save back into the patient record in Nosh. In the final part of this demo, we're going to look at how we share access to your record to a clinician or other party for a consult or referral. Record sharing is both very powerful and very easy inside of Nosh. The Share Record button prompts us for the email address of the recipient. We then specify the level of access we want to grant and send off the request. On the clinician side, the doctor receives an email with notification of the access. If they are new to Trustee, they run through the account creation process outlined earlier. They can add credentials, which Trustee will store for convenience. Accountability and personal responsibility are core guiding principles in our architecture and our approach. Once inside the record, the clinician may view and interact with the record according to the rights they've been given. They can also access Maya or their choice of apps like it to assist in the consult. The complete interaction can be saved locally and back into Nosh. In the clinician example, it is important to note that saving the AI transcript locally can be a very powerful tool in terms of creating teaching files or legal backups that are not controlled by a corporate institution. The ability to edit the transcript ensures that the physician has ownership and accountability. By using digital signatures and credentials, the patient's Nosh and the physician's practice preserve the records of the interaction. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching. If you would like to participate, you can find links below in the video notes. If you'd like to try it all out yourself, visit trustee.health.